हेलो सर। उम्मीद है मैं याद आऊँगा आपको। तो सबसे पहले हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू माय डियर अतुल सर एंड आलोक सर। और मैं क्या ही बोलूँ अतुल सर के बारे में, तो तारीफ़ करने में शब्द ही कम पड़ जाएंगे। तो ही इज़ अ वेरी brilliant, talented and very very helpful teacher I have ever met. So, and it is a long uh, maybe like teacher student relationship. I know him from last uh, 11 years. So I met first uh, to Atul sir and Alok sir in physics institute when I went for jam coaching. And by his nature he did means so much help to me by financially, by uh, like by his teaching, and so much in class, out of class, so many tutorials. His technique is very good for teaching and all, for entrance exam. And after I cracked the exam, then also he has helped me too much for uh, as in a special interview program. And so I can say like he is very means sir, you have made my life, uh, and because of you only I am here now doing postdoc, and maybe in future uh, we'll get some good research line, and hopeful so. And same for Alok sir also. He is like very good teacher. I studied mathematical physics from him. So you both are very brilliant teacher, and all the best for this new Pravegaa coaching to both of you. And it is already showing the like results and success in. So all the best and happy Teachers Day to both of you. Thank you, sir.